Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at a cryptocurrency chart which has been correcting quite a lot in recent weeks. So we want to take a look at a potential upside reversal and I'm talking about the VeChain chart. Let's go. Okay, we are here now on our website, dailymarketupdate.com. Make sure that you register. You can do that completely for free. In the video description, you can find the link. And if you do that, you can get access to all of these Elliott Wave updates for different asset classes. Today, I want to take a look at the cryptocurrency section and we take a look at the VeChain chart. First of all, we should take a look at the long-term chart, see if anything changed, what are the long-term targets, what's the overall outlook. Then we can take a look at the smaller time frame as well. So looking here at the larger time frame, we can see that the price is still consolidating in a long-term accumulation zone. I mean, we defined this long-term accumulation zone already a long time ago. And we're now watching for a potential start of a third wave rally, but it has not yet started. So at the moment, I mean, we are counting it like that, but what hasn't started yet is the aggressive upside momentum that we would like to see in a third wave. So we'll take a look at the smaller time frame to see what the pattern suggests, what the outlook suggests on the smaller time frame. Bigger picture, from a larger time frame point of view, the smallest movements should really be considered noise. But what we really want to see from here is that the price is starting to move away from that accumulation zone, from that larger box here. What you can see is that, however, the market is printing higher highs and higher lows. But I have to say, I'm not impressed yet by the upside momentum. What normally should happen in a third wave, and Elliott Wave tells us what a third wave is. It's the most aggressive part of a trend. What should happen in this third wave is really an aggressive move up into the direction between 57 cents and probably 75 cents. First of all, though, there is a key level that needs to be broken, which is the 28-cent level. I mean, that is a level that is likely going to provide some resistance. It's also a confirmation level that needs to be broken in order to unlock prices in that 57, 58 cent area. But yeah, we need the price needs to confirm that. And for now, while there is some upside momentum and we've seen some constructive price action, it is too weak to really say that we are in the main element of a third wave. So it takes a long time, as you can see. But as I always say, Elliott Wave is not a time-based method. It tells us which levels should likely be tested, what are the breakout levels, what are the likely scenarios, what are our targets. How long something takes is really difficult to establish. It takes as long as it takes. The market alone will decide that. However, we have some really important levels on the smaller time frame that we can track here. You can see that the rally from the November lows was really constructive. The price broke above the March highs from last year in a very impulsive fashion. But see, this pullback is again very strong. And most of the rally that was, that I guess you could capitalize on if you followed our analysis, then you knew that we had a trading area here. And the idea was to maybe accumulate here or look for long trade positions. And then when the price is moving away from these boxes, we gray them out, which means that you can then adjust your stop loss, start to take profits, and so on. But yeah, the price moved away from it, far away, and since then we haven't really, in this pullback, haven't really seen any reaction that would tell us that the third wave to the upside has started. So while this is a potential, an upcoming third wave to the upside, the price always needs to confirm that. How would it do that? Well, first of all, I would love to see a break above these January, February highs around 6 cents. But what is more important is that we get a break above the 8-cent level. That's the swing high that formed end of last year. I think it was in December. Orange wave 1, 8 cents. A break above that level would unlock prices probably in the 15, 16 cent region in orange wave 3, which would all be part of a larger degree third wave. So that here would be some kind of an internal third wave of an even larger third wave. And it would likely be a very aggressive move to the upside. But there's always a condition here. The 1.8 cent level needs to hold because this is the invalidation point for the orange scenario that you can see here. So any break below 1.8 cents, it would be too deep. It would not indicate any upside progress because we would fall back below the previous low, below the November low, and that would not be in line with what an impulse to the upside should do. So that's the invalidation point. But as you can see, we're kind of in a range here between the 1.8 cent level and the 8 cent level. And we are very close to the invalidation point, which typically is interesting from a reward to risk point of view. But we have not added another trading area here because we're already very close to the invalidation point anyway. So from an Elliott wave point of view, this is normally a very attractive trade. However, from a probabilities point of view, please understand that so far we have no evidence that this orange wave 2 is over, so it could easily invalidate. Yeah? So it's very, very important to observe very closely the micro price action over the coming sessions to see if this orange 1-2 setup, which could lead to a third wave rally, if it survives. That's the update about VeChain. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested, make sure to register on our website. It's completely for free. Then you get additional free Elliott wave updates for different markets. Also make sure that you activate the notification bell in the video description. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.